past, cause you know I smashed. Yeah, I smashed, yeah. Shawty let me smash, so I put her in a past. Yeah, I put her in a past.
What's up, guys? So the other day, as you might have seen on Instagram, I made these bad boys with Sharpie. Turned out pretty well. The only problem was that I couldn't do it to the other shoe because about a year and a half ago I tried a different customization where I tried to redo the Vapor VI design from years back, and it didn't turn out great. But looking back on it, it's not, it's bad, it's bad. However, hope is not lost. I think we can still make this into a pretty good custom. What I'm gonna try to do today is refine this and go back over this design until it looks like how a Vapor VI should really look. In order to keep things as consistent as possible, I'm going to be using the same two markers that I used on the last customization for the right shoe on this left shoe. So let's just see how it goes.